Good morning, everybody. This is video 2. I had one of my daughter-in-law's dog get out, and it was trying to chase the chickens. That's one dog that we're trying to get rid of. So as soon as it gets out of here, we'll be in good shape. But anyways, I will give you guys a few more minutes to see what this round 1 of 2018 Bred Modoc High Mountain Zippers can do this morning. We got to get him a home that don't have chickens. There we go. That's what I wanted you guys to see. Not only are they starting to roll, but they're also starting to get the teamwork idea. Give you guys a little bit more time here. Maybe we'll get one more break and then I'll cut it off. Here we go. Oh, there we go. See what I'm saying? Man, this kid, I'm so excited and so just proud of this year's breeding season, that because of last year's breeding season, the year before when I bred from just my top spinners, and then last year I bred from my top spinners, and then this year's the babies is from them. And some of them are bred with, out of cousins and stuff now. So I'm actually breeding the family, and this is really starting to come together for me, and I'm really happy. Right on. And these are just babies. I'm so excited, and they're in the molt too. So everything up here is in the molt. It's crazy. Everything's just like falling apart right now. There's feathers everywhere. Every morning, just poof, like something exploded. Alright guys, you got the gist of it. You all have a wonderful day. Stay flying where you're at, and may your skies be BOP free. Peace! Ooh. Just so much fun to watch. I just don't even want to turn it off. And they're still flying for about an hour in the morning.
Turn here for a second. It's right here.
All right, guys. You all have a wonderful day. Stay flying. Peace!
Stay.
420.